How to delete your Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And keep in mind, they change the menu to delete your account often. So check the description or pinned comment below for my latest tutorial showing the latest method to delete your account. So to get started, simply open up the Facebook app, then select the menu button to the left of the Facebook logo in the top left. Once the menu opens up, scroll down. And we just want to find settings and privacy, make sure that that is opened, and then select settings. Once in the settings, select account center. In account center, we just want to scroll down and select manage accounts. Once in manage accounts, select manage next to the Facebook account you want to delete, and then select deactivation or deletion. From there, we just need to make sure we select delete account, then select continue. After that, select the reason why you want to delete your account, then just select continue. They're going to give you a remedy based on what you selected, so go ahead and select continue. Then they'll tell you what happens when you permanently delete it. You will lose your Messenger account. They'll also give you the option to deactivate your Facebook account if you want to, which is temporary and can be reactivated anytime by simply logging back in. They'll give you the option to save your post, or you can even export all your information. So select continue, then just enter your Facebook password. After you do that, they'll ask you to confirm one more time that you do indeed want to permanently delete your Facebook account. And then after you confirm, it'll be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.